this is Saba, mother of 2 boys living here in Dubai. Today I'm going to be showing you a really nice recipe, perfect as a starter. So it's called red pepper hummus. All you're going to need is so let's get started. First you need some bell pepper. I'm going to be using this grill and we're going to roast it. I've already de-seeded and cut it in half, and I'm going to just put it on the grill. Turn the grill on. It should take about 15 to 20 minutes for the bell pepper to roast. So now that the red bell peppers are ready, what I'm going to do is dice them. Now that the ingredients are ready, let's start blending. I'm going to be taking the blender and put all the ingredients in. Let's start with the bell pepper. So the bell pepper is in. We need 1 garlic clove and just a little bit of sweet chili. So now we're just putting in the main ingredient of hummus, which is chickpeas. Next up is some lemon juice. It really brings out the zestiness. You would need around half a teaspoon of cumin powder and 2 to 3 tablespoons of tahina. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. You can do it as per your taste. For me, it's just a pinch of salt. Add a drizzle of olive oil. And there we have it, we're ready to blend. And it's ready. So time to plate the hummus. As you can see, the consistency is amazing, really smooth, and that's what you want. I'm just going to use a spoon and plate it nicely for some garnish. I like to use olive oil, but you can always use some fried onions or even chickpeas. And let's just finish it off with a bit of olive oil. And here you go, red pepper hummus.